that word parasite. When we hear that word, it automatically evokes the idea of something that is harmful for us, is going to do damage to our body, is going to rob us of nutrients and wastes, and actually be an obstacle to cure, right? And we all know that, I think, in the chronic illness world, that there are a lot of these things that really we don't want because they may be driving us in a direction that is preventing our recovery. What I'm going to be talking about today is really a flip on what parasites are. And the specific parasite I'm really going to talk about, which is Hymenoplepsis. And I think when we're talking about the role of these organisms in improving our immune system and really working towards this concept of immune tolerance, how capable our bodies are at adapting to our internal and external environments without creating these inflammatory responses, we really want to change the word parasite probably to something like a mutualist, right? Or a symbiote almost, because at least with Hymenoplepsis and many of these other ones that don't actually harm us in a way where we're not going to be getting nutrients, where we're going to be losing, some nutritional value, or we're going to be, wasting away, so to speak. These are organisms that are often just transient, moving through our bodies. They're non-human parasites, especially in the case of Hymenoplepsis, which is actually technically a rat tapeworm, or like the whipworm, right? These are things that cannot physically attach to the lumen of our body. They're interluminal. They can't move out of our intestines into other areas of our body. And so they're not true parasites in that word. And so that would be the first thing I think I would want to establish, because it differentiates what we're talking about between something that's pathogenic and probably the main reason why we haven't ever seen any traction happening, despite promising research studies and clear epidemiologic data showing that these are missing parts of our biome and things that have actually been essential in helping our bodies to not have autoimmunity, to not develop immune issues, to be more tolerant of the world.